If you're watching this video, you're most likely a DIY investor. DIY or do-it-yourself investing is a process in which investors like you choose to build investment portfolios on your own without hiring a financial advisor. It is true that DIY investing offers you more control on your investments, but at the same time, you need to be aware of the fact that it puts all the responsibility on your shoulders. However, I am sure that you will agree with me, there are many challenges with DIY investing. I would say that abundance of choice and information overload are the critical ones. When it comes to investing, the abundance of choice can be devastating and can adversely impact your investment decisions. Let us assume for a moment that you are a novice investor and want to invest in equities. Then you have to choose between various products like mutual funds, direct equity, ETFs, ULIPs, etc. Let us further assume that you with some amount of research and deliberation, you choose to go with mutual funds. Now again, you will have to choose between open-ended or closed-ended, direct or regular, whether to go with index funds or large cap funds, whether diversified is the right one or the thematic one. And the list goes on until you reach a dead end. The abundance of choices is true for all the asset classes and financial products and is likely to put you in a dilemma. If multiple options lead to indecision, information overload can lead to wrong decisions. There is so much of information that is being bombarded at you by self-proclaimed experts and the media that most of the times it is biased and at times it is contradictory. You might be familiar with the situation where a fund or a script you wanted to invest in is 5-star rated by one expert and the same is downgraded by another expert. In this scenario, it is going to be very difficult for investors like you to make rational investment decisions. But you don't have to worry, as we have put together everything that can help you become a successful DIY investor. We at My Money Sage have come out with DIY Plus, a combination of our award-winning tools, financial tools and investment strategies. The financial tools help you with money management, financial planning as well as investment management. The Money Manager enables you to put all your assets and liabilities together. You can link your mutual funds, you can link your equities, you can link your bond accounts, you can link your ETFs, FDs, small savings, EPF, NPS, insurance, loans, credit cards, etc. The best part is that you can track all your accounts on a dynamic basis, which gives you a 360-degree view of your net worth. The financial planning tools help you to set and track goals and also link your investment to your goals. It also comes with a personal finance calendar which helps you to keep tab of your due dates, of your SIPs, of your EMIs, insurance premiums as well as investment maturities. With the help of investment management tools, you can not only invest in direct plans but also switch to direct by saving on commissions. In case of stocks, you can execute our recommended portfolio with a broker of your choice. Over and above, you will also get comprehensive reports on P&L, capital gains, etc. across all investment products. It is important to understand that irrespective of whether you are a novice or a seasoned investor, you need to be self-disciplined to be a successful one. Our comprehensive financial tools are designed to inculcate the much required self-discipline in you. Now let me talk about the most important offering of DIY Plus, which is smart portfolios. These model portfolios help you to stay focused on your investment objective and achieve it the most efficient manner. These portfolios of mutual funds as well as stocks are customized to suit your risk profile and optimized for superior risk-adjusted returns. Smart portfolios are constructed using our proprietary quantitative models, leveraging both historical as well as forward-looking factors. If our mutual fund portfolios are diversified across asset classes as well as geographies, the stock portfolios typically consist of a basket of 15 to 20 stocks, fundamentally sound stocks, that are diversified across large and mid caps. The smart portfolios also come with periodic rebalancing alerts based on fundamental, technical as well as macro indicators. If smart portfolios help you overcome choice paralysis, the curated research of the DIY Plus helps you to counter the information overload. As part of the plan, you will also get research and recommendations on various financial products like IPOs, NFOs, NCDs, bonds, pension products, etc., including periodical outlook of the markets. I'm sure you understand that wealth creation is a result of rational investment decisions made consistently. Needless to say, you should be skilled and competent to make such decisions. Therefore, DIY Plus offers investors access to exclusive knowledge and training workshops, which makes DIY Plus indispensable, I would say. These workshops shall inculcate the requisite investment management skills for you to excel in DIY investing. In these training sessions, we will share with you the techniques and the strategies we employ at MyMoneySage. To sum up, MyMoneySage DIY Plus gives you access to comprehensive financial tools, smart portfolios of MF and stocks, curated research and exclusive access to training and workshops. So with MyMoneySage do-it-yourself plan, you can not only invest with ease but also with confidence. More importantly, you can invest like a pro. So welcome aboard and happy investing.